These pets' images are shining examples of how just 5 minutes can make a huge difference when it comes to animals. Even a simple haircut has the power to make you wonder if it's the same dog, which is especially true after a wild trip to the dog park.
We at Animal News want to share with you some fun pets images that changed your moods for the better.
Number 16. The day he was brought into the shelter, and after I adopted him. Number 17. Before and after his first checkup.
In the previous parts, we saw 10 animal photos before and after. Now we will mention the other 5, and whoever hasn't seen the previous parts, we invite you to watch it.
Number 18. Before and after falling asleep. Many of us can relate. Number 20. Before and after the dog park. Number 21. I thought my wife brought the wrong dog back home.
Thank you for continue watching. Let us know what you think by commenting below. Don't forget to find us on Facebook and follow our Pinterest feed to stay updated. Recommend us to your friends.